Hi, good morning. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, and we are in the Monday morning motivation episode number 11. And the topic for today is, what are you going to stop? Friends, if we observe the successful people, they are very clear in what they will not do. But common people like you and me, because of the FOMO, fear of missing out, we may say yes to multiple things, and after some time we'll feel, why I accepted this? We would have spent a lot of time and few months have gone by the time. So this is the month of December, and it's the right time to decide what are the three things we are going to stop doing in the year 2025. Those three things may be with respect to our personal life, or three things maybe with respect to our professional life. But if we have the clarity of which are the things we are going to stop, that will give us lot of time to focus on the three things which we are definitely going to do in the year 2025. So I have created my list of three things which I'm going to stop, and already taken some action on this. I thought you will also do that and make this 2025 a great and successful year. So signing off now, summarizing, the question here is, what are you going to stop? Thank you and have a nice week.